how's it going? I'm Kathi. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am extra excited to be with you because this is my 20th fitness video. And what better way to celebrate than by doing burpees, right? Okay, this workout is going to be fast, it's going to be challenging, but it's going to be fun. So before you start any physical activity, especially a high intensity workout like this one, please do be sure to consult your doctor. And when you're ready, let's get it on. All right, let's start out on a mat or a towel. Let's start in a plank position. We're gonna do half burpees. We're gonna squat it forward and stand up. No jumpy jumps just yet. That's one. Squat it forward and stand up. All right, back into a squat. Squat it forward, stand up. We're gonna do 10 of these. Just a nice warm up. Hold in that core. Let's protect the back because we don't want to hurt our backs doing burpees. Am I right? Okay. That's 5. 5 more like this. Very good. 4 more. 3 more. Last 2. And last 1. All right, let's move on over to squats. We're gonna do squats in between each set of burpees. Here we go. Let's talk about form. My feet are gonna be wider than shoulder width apart. My toes are pointing 10 and 2, 11 and 1 o'clock, whatever is more comfortable for you. And when I squat down, I'm gonna make sure my knee never goes past that toe. Instead, my butt's gonna go back like I'm sitting in an imaginary chair. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna turn around. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Back to the mat. We're gonna do regular burpees this time. Jump up, plank, jump forward. All right, that's 2. We'll keep it going. Jump, plank, squat. 4, 5, 6, 4 more. 8, 9, and last 1. Back to squats. Watch that form. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This time we're gonna do reverse burpees. So they're gonna look like this. Jump up, roll back, come forward. That's 1. Jump up, roll back, come forward. That's 2. Jump up, roll back, come forward. 3. If you want to use your hands for support, that's fine, or you can go hands free. Here we go. This is 4. 5. Doing great. 6. Keep it going. 7. 8. 3 more. 9. And 10. All right, back to squats. Woo, I'm out of breath. This is great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're moving on to combo burpees. They're gonna start with the reverse, and then we're gonna do something different. Here we go. Jump up, roll back, come forward, plank, squat. That's the combo. That's one. Ready? 1, roll back, come forward, plank, squat. That's 2. Woo! Roll back, come forward, plank. That's 3. Keep it going. Plank, squat forward. That's 4. Plank, squat forward. That's 5. This is 6. Keep it going. 7. 3 more to go. Plank, squat forward. 9. And last 1. Almost half time. Almost break time. Woo! 10 squats, and then we're going to take a water break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's halftime, y'all. We're halfway there. I'm gonna get a drink of water. Everybody catch our breath. Let me catch my breath. Whew. Let me talk to you for a minute. All right, if any of these sets get to be too hard and you're winded like I am, take a break. You can always put me on pause. You know I'll be here when you get back. If they're too easy though, do a few more reps. Add weights. Customize this workout how you see fit. This is your time. I'm just glad you're spending some of it with me. When you're ready, let's start again. All right, starting it off nice and slow. From a plank position, half burpees. Here we go. Squat forward, stand up. Nice and easy. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Hold that belly in. Protect that back. 5, halfway there. 6, nice job. 7, keep it going. 3 more. 8, 9, last one, like this. All right, back to squats. Here we go. 1, watch the knee. Squat back like you're sitting in an imaginary chair. We're at 5, 4, 3, 2, regular burpees this time. At the front of your mat or a towel, jump up, plank, squat forward. That's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway there. Here we go. Last 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to squats. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, that's 1. Reverse burpees. You ready? Jump up, roll back, come forward. Woo! Nice job. That's 2. I'm winded too. We're all working hard. That's 3, 4, 5, halfway there. You got this. I don't know if I got this, but you got this. Woo. 3, 2, whew. Last one, like this. Back to squats. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, okay. Last set of burpees and last set of squats coming up. You ready for this? We're doing the combo burpees. Roll back, plank, squat forward. Jump up, roll back, plank, squat forward. That's 2. Come on. This is 3. Roll back, plank, squat forward. That's 4. Almost there, guys. Halfway there. 5 more to go. Woo. 4 more. Woo. Last 3. We got this. Last 2. Last 1. Make it count. Plank. Squat forward. Woo. Last 10 squats. You can tell I'm winded. I hope you're winded too. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. You guys, we did it. 80 burpees, 80 squats. I hope that you'll stretch out after this intense workout. Whew. Whether it's with one of my stretch videos or on your own. Mom and Dad, thank you so much for all the support. I love you guys so much. For now, have a wonderful day. As always, be well.